Do carbohydrates really suck? Is the keto diet the way to go? Do they really make you fat? All of these questions answered in today's video. Stay tuned. So guys, firstly we need to make something really clear. Whenever we talk about food, let's actually stop the black and white mentality and develop a new perspective about food. A grey perspective. When we look at food from that best point of view, what is actually happening is you're kind of basing your decision on a particular circumstance, which means a food might be best for you in that particular situation. But that doesn't necessarily imply that that food becomes the best food in the universe. The good thing is that when we look at food from a grey perspective, we're forced to do something which we call as critical thinking. Now, because of this critical thinking, we're able to ask ourselves some really deep and insightful questions. Questions like, is it really gonna benefit me if I follow this kind of a diet? Can I really do it from a long-term perspective? What is the science behind this food? Now I know you're dying to get to know more about carbs, so let's get started. So I'm pretty sure you know a little about carbs, but if you don't, let me give you a gist about it. Carbs are the preferred energy source of our body. They provide around 4 calories per gram, and our bodies depend on glucose for energy transfer. Roti, chawal, quinoa, pasta, veggies, fruits are all very basic examples of foods which are dominant in carbohydrates. Many of you would think if you're dependent on glucose for energy transfer, this would kind of mean that dietary carbohydrates are an essential thing, which means we can't really eliminate that. Wrong. That's not what really happens. Through a process called gluconeogenesis, our body is kind of able to develop its own glucose from non-carbohydrate sources such as fats and proteins. More on that in a bit. Also, as the name suggests, carbohydrates, they kind of store around 3 to 4 grams of water in your body for every gram of carbs. This kind of explains the bloating we all have when we consume too much of carbohydrates. So yes, if your so-called dietitian or nutritionist says that, yay, 3 kgs lost in just 5 days, that's all water weight. So with dietary carbs not really needed, should we all switch to the keto diet? It depends. Adopting an eating pattern has much more to do than just the nutritional front of it. It's a decision which you guys should only take if you're comfortable with. I won't say keto is bad or good because it's a continuum. We should always see foods on a basis of continuum and similarly diets on the basis of this particular continuum. And if you feel that you can thrive on a diet without carbs, go for it. Explaining my perspective right now, I personally think quitting carbs is not my cup of tea. I feel it's that added stressor in my life for me to go through this entire overhaul. Before adopting any kind of an eating pattern, just ask yourself, would I be able to do this for the next 3 to 6 months consistently, regularly? Because if you can't, the answer to that particular question is no. So guys, remember, fitness is a long-term thing. It's not a crash course कि किया और हो गया. आपको बड़ा सोचना है and उस बड़े गोल के हिसाब से ही आपको अपने छोटे गोल्स भी सेट करने हैं. And remember guys, no one beats the law of thermodynamics. So आप कोई सी भी डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो, कीटो है या कोई सा भी ईटिंग पैटर्न आप फॉलो कर रहे हो, चाहे वो IF है, अगर आप एक कैलोरिक सरप्लस में खा रहे हो तो आप फैट लॉस मत एक्सपेक्ट करो. आप अगर कैलोरिक डेफिसिट में खा रहे हो तो मसल गेन मत एक्सपेक्ट करो. In some cases that muscle gain is possible, but in majority of the cases don't really expect it. So yes, the type of food does matter, but overall energy भी उतना ही matter करती है. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you like the video, be that cool guy, subscribe to the channel. If you did like the video, do give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down below so that I can know if you want to see any other kind of video in the future. And yes, that's been it for today. Chaitanya Bhutani signing out. Peace.